Hey everyone, today's August 11th, 2021, and I have another recap for you all. I ended the day $200 uh, green, started the day immediately red, took 7 trades, traded the NASDAQ, some shorts, some longs, and without further ado, let's go over those trades. So, first thing I like to do is wait for the 8:30 mark where the candles really start to move. Um, I place this vertical line around 8:30 mark, and I like to draw a line where the previous low is, so right here, and you can see how 2 minutes later, after the market opened, price came down here, and the buyers used this point to push the market up, but the sellers immediately pushed it back down, broke the 20 moving average, and it looks like they're heading towards the 200 moving average because if the 20 moving average gets too far away from the 200, they'll eventually meet back up again. So um, the sellers broke the 20, broke this blue line, these two previous levels of support. Um, it bounces here, retraces, and this is where I took my first loss. I got in too prematurely. I should have waited for the buyers to push it all the way back up to the 20 moving average. And this is where I should have shorted right there. But instead, I took this $180 loss. But that's okay because there'll be other trades. So, because this move is happening, I did not want to miss out on it. So I got in for the short of this green candle, and then I quickly got out right there. So made 35 bucks. I got out really quickly because this I was late to this move, and I didn't want to risk it turning around on me. Um, I just didn't. So next trade, I'll move this blue line to find the next previous low where the buyers will move the market back up. And this is actually where I took my next short. So the market is in a downtrend. It retraces. I get in for the short of this green bar, and I got out right here, so close to the 200 moving average. If I was a little bit more brave, a little bit more courageous, I could have made out with $200, or might have stuck through for this whole move, but I got out with 175. So yes, next trade. The market did indeed bounce off of this lowest point right here. Okay, so the market was in a downtrend, and then it showed some sort of life right here for buyers. But because this was still a downtrend, I took these two green bars as a pullback, and I shorted this break of this green candle and got out really quickly for just $45. And I wasn't too confident in this because the RSI was also showing momentum to the upside. And because this candle was really large, and usually it takes a lot of power to break through a candle like that, so I wanted to get out as soon as I could because immediately it was reversed and the buyers pushed it back higher. So yeah, the market is still in a downtrend, and I missed tons and tons of opportunities like right here, right here. But because the 20 moving average was so far away from the 200, I just knew that I should wait for buyers and buy instead of like shorting this move. Um, but I mean, you can make money both ways. I just decided to be patient and sit out on all the short plays. So right here, I got short. I got long for the break of this red candle, and you can see how tiny it is. Um, So I got in here and I got out at the 20 moving average. And so that was just 80 bucks. I really should have sticked to this play because I missed out on a ton right here. I missed out on all this. So that's about like $300 I missed out on, but that's okay. And then this is my last trade. I think I made only $30 on it, but this was also another missed, big massive miss. So I got in here. I saw that the market pushed up to the 20 moving average. It broke through the 20 moving average. I was late to enter above this red candle. So after I saw this green candle, I set my entry to just within the body of this green candle. The next candle tagged me in and I got out really quickly for $30 because this red candle was acting really iffy, and the fact that this candle right here was a sort of doji, it kind of freaked me out that this could be like the start of a reversal candle and then the next candles can come down. So I was totally wrong. I should have stuck to this trade because also the RSI was showing momentum to the upside. So if I stuck through this whole move, this could have been easily $700. And I knew that the buyers would move the price back up to the 200 moving average. So after this trade, I called it a day and I was happy with my $200. But if you just scroll forward a little bit, you can see it exactly what happened. Price did indeed make it all the way back to the 200 moving average. And so overall, decent day of trading. Could have been better. Could have really held out for these trades so that they weren't so small, but small amounts add up. And yeah, started the day red, closed the day green, can't complain. Decent day. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this. Yeah, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.